Uned 13, Fideo 2. The Welsh word for the verb to have is cael. When we have learnt how to ask if we can have something, we have used a form of the word cael when asking gai. The answers to the gai question is also a form of cael. K, meaning yes, you may have, and na che, meaning no, you may not have. In this unit, however, we will be using a pattern where the verb cael does not change into any other form. It stays as it is. The pattern we'll be looking at is one where we can say who will be having what. It means the same as who will be getting what. This is a pattern that you can use for a question or in a sentence, as words follow the same order in both. Look at the explanation. To say who will be having what, this is how we do it. Person plus cael plus what they are having. To explain, if you wanted to say that you are having some toast, you would say, dwi'n cael toast. If you wanted to ask a child if they are having new shoes, you would ask, wyt ti'n cael esgidiau newydd? To say that Jack is having a new ball, you would say, mae Jack yn cael pêl newydd. Arbennig. Moving on to answering a question. If you wanted to ask if Archie is having his birthday, you would ask, ydy Archie yn cael pen blwydd? To say that Archie is indeed having his birthday, the sentence is, mae Archie yn cael pen blwydd. But to say that Archie is not having his birthday, you would use the negative pattern. Dydy Archie ddim yn cael pen blwydd. Remember that this has a different meaning to when we use a pattern that contains a form of gan. To say that we already have something, for example, mae gen I frawd, you would use that sentence to convey that you already have a brother. This pattern using cael is used to discuss having something in the future, or if someone is getting something. So, if a child were to say, dwi'n cael brawd newydd, it means I'm having a new baby brother. It is something that will happen in the future. It has totally different meaning to mae gen I frawd, which, as we have learnt, means I have a brother. Come back back to this video anytime you need to revise the Kyle pattern. A phob lwc.